David Krynauw is a young furniture designer and manufacturer known for his organic take in developing authentic pieces. What sets him apart from his peers is his fresh, experimental approach to his creations, uncompromising on the quality and the detail in the art of his woodwork.
I started the business about 8.5 years ago, sort of something that spurred from a hobby as a student, but I also saw the potential of earning a living out of something that I enjoyed doing. It has always been focused on the process behind the work, delving into something that you've learned. There's something that you've learned through either experimentation or different set of tooling that you've stumbled onto, and in that way increasing your capacity or your capabilities as a manufacturer. I've always felt that if the focus is on improving as a maker, the products will flow from that. I think a successful design and manufacturing business has to have a product range that caters not for a specific market but for a wider range of clients. So we produce a wide variety of work, some of it aimed at the market for specific application, others custom designs that we like taking on because we like being experimental with what we do and we like to cater for our clients. And then also our expressive work, which is an area that is sort of more limited but more experimental and more pushing the boundaries of what we feel the cusp of our capabilities are. The Haywire is a product that has gained incredible success over the years and almost designed from a place of naivety is satisfying but very blessed in the sense that it has gained critical acclaim. They are quite unique in their construction and the process behind it is quite unique. We work mostly with timber. I've got a big love for timber because I grew up on a forestry farm where we grow timber for commercial use. So it's always been part of my journey.
An idea born out of experimentation is the one-of-a-kind Jeppystown waiting bench. It features David's interlocking method based on elegant geometry and is one of the expressive pieces executed to tell the story of the African landscape.
It's a really exciting time to be part of an industry which I'm a small part of, because there is a real focus on African manufacturers and African produced items from an international point of view, but from a local point of view, big industry wanting to support African or South African work. We are very lucky to be presented on some of the top international stages. For us as a company, it's really important to sit well on that stage and present our work on an equal level to some of the world's best designers and the world's best manufacturers. And we've got a way of expressing ourselves that would allow us to always push the boundary of what we're making.